Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create lists in WordPress. So firstly, you have to log into your WordPress account by going to a browser and searching for wordpress.com. And this is the interface you're going to see after you have logged in. Over here on the right hand side, you can see the quick links option, and below it is the edit site option. Click on the edit site option over here and it will directly take you to the editor's page of WordPress. As you can see, it's loading. It may take a while, and this is actually the editor's page of WordPress. On the right hand side over here, you can see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon, and here we are looking for the list, so we are just gonna type in list, and here is the list option. After you have clicked on the list option over here, as you can see, the list option has appeared on my blog over here. Now I'm just gonna list in my things. As you can see, I have completely full access to the list option over here, and I can control it really well. Like this, you can add list to your WordPress website. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys, and make sure to save all of your changes after you have actually completed all of your actions. That way your website will be saved. If you don't click on the save option on the right hand side over here, your actions won't be saved. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.